This is the Commodore Amiga Tank Mouse, which I recently bought for my Amiga 500. The Tank Mouse is in fair condition, however, like a majority of electronics from the 80s and 90s, this has also suffered from the dreaded plastic yellowing, which we will be fixing with retrobrighting, and we will also be discussing how the mechanical mice also works. Taking a look at the mouse, we can get an understanding of where the UV light, for example the sun, was shining the most or exposed the most on the mouse due to its harsh yellowing on one side while the other side is less exposed and near towards its original colour. And if we compared the mouse with the recently retrobrighted Amiga 500, we can really see the difference. So let's begin the teardown. We start by flipping the mouse over and we take out the ball by twisting the cover which holds it. We put the ball and the cover to one side and then focus our attention to the two Phillips head screws at the top of the mouse. We flip the mouse back to its side and partially lift the top shell and then slide it off. Be sure not to pull it off, but slide the top shell towards you, as there are two clips which hold both shells together. With the top shell now off, we get our first look inside the mechanical mice. Let's discuss how this works. A mechanical ball mice has two rollers that can freely rotate. These are located 90 degrees apart and are designed to detect motion on either the X or Y axis. For the mouse to know when a user is moving the mouse in either axis, an optical encoding disc is placed at the end of each roller. These discs have light holes which allow the infrared LEDs to shine through the holes for the sensors to gather light pulses which detect movement and convert it to the X and Y vectors. The drivers for the mouse then convert the signals into motion, giving you this result. And you're probably asking, what is the third roller for then? Well, that's pretty simple. It's placed 45 degrees and is spring loaded, with its purpose to push the ball against the other two rollers. Before we can start the retrobrighting process, we need to give both shells a clean. With both shells now clean, now is the perfect time to start retrobrighting. For the retrobright process, I'll be using this box with sheets of tin foil inside it, cream peroxide, and this UV fluorescent bowl. I use a brush to put peroxide over the shells and cover it with cling film. And now it's time to start the retrobrighting process. I will check on the shells every 2 hours and massage the cream to avoid any streaking. And after 2 days, both shells are now ready to be taken out the retrobrighting box. And even with the film over the shells, we can already see the effect retrobrighting has had on the shells. So let's give both shells another wash to remove the peroxide. While we leave them to dry, let's now focus our attention on the main board of the mouse, which has some dirt and old flux on it, so we'll remove that by using IPA and a cotton bud. With With the main board now clean, let's focus our attention on the cable. Using IPA and a kitchen towel, we remove all the old dirt and grime built up from all the years of use. We do the same thing with the mouse ball too. And with everything now clean, it's now time to reassemble the mouse. With everything reassembled, let's take a look at the newly refurbished Amiga Tank Mouse. And if we can compare a before and after with the Amiga, it's amazing. The mouse looks fantastic with the Amiga now. And to test if it all works, well, here it is, working perfectly. With all the work that's now been done, it is amazing to have the mouse to accompany the computer as a completed set. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye for now.